Bawling. Meaning in English, loud crying or shouting. Meaning in Telugu, Arupulu Petadam. Usage. The baby was bawling all night. Bawl. Meaning in English, to shout or cry loudly. Meaning in Telugu, Gattiga Aravadam Leader Edivadam. Usage. She began to bawl when she dropped her ice cream. Battlefield. Meaning in English, a place where a battle is fought. Meaning in Telugu, Yuddharangam. Usage. The soldiers returned from the battlefield after a long fight. Bazaar. Meaning in English, a market or a group of small shops. Meaning in Telugu, Bajaru, market. Usage. We went to the bazaar to buy some fresh fruits. Battle. Meaning in English, a fight between two groups, often in war. Meaning in Telugu, Yuddham. Usage. The battle lasted for many hours. B. Meaning in English, to exist or live. Meaning in Telugu, Endadam. Usage. I want to be a teacher when I grow up. Bay. Meaning in English, a part of the sea or lake that cuts into the land. Meaning in Telugu, Gulf, Uppena Lotena Pradesam. Usage. The boat was anchored in the bay. Battery. Meaning in English, a device that stores energy. Meaning in Telugu, Byatari. Usage. My phone battery is almost dead. Bayonet. Meaning in English, a blade that may be fixed to the end of a rifle. Meaning in Telugu, Tupaki Kakina Katti. Usage. The soldier fixed a bayonet to his rifle. Bauble, assumed spelling correction. Meaning in English, a small, showy trinket or decoration. Meaning in Telugu, Chinna, Andamaina Alankarana Vastuvu. Usage. She wore a shiny bauble on her wrist.